Anything is possible. It started with a dream. Our passion made a difference and built a family. We've grown.
Hello, you're with Libby Dyson from LibbyStamps.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia, and today we're using Tasteful touches and another cling wrap technique, or glad wrap, or Saran Wrap, or whatever you call it. Comes in a box like this, and here's a tip. Look, did you know it's got little tabs in the end? You push those in, and they this one doesn't want to tip in, push in, but anyway, push them in, and there, that one's gone in, and it holds the cylinder inside your wrap and makes it easier to tear off. So I've used on this one Balmy Blue, Pacific Point, and Pretty Peacock, and the Tasteful touches, of course, and these beautiful new elegant faceted gems, item 152464. Just gorgeous they are. Alright, so, and I've stamped the inside of the card and the envelope. So we'll get started. Now I've already torn off 3 lots of cling wrap, and I've mounted my stamps, and I've also gone ahead and stamped the inside of my card and the envelope, so it'll be quick and easy today. Alright, so I'm going to actually stamp the images in black, Memento black, hoping I'm going to get this one right. I find the sentiment for this one a little hard to line up, so we'll just give it a go. In the top right hand corner here. Wonderful. Okay, and then I've got the flower already loaded up, and I'm just going to stamp that in black as well, just in Memento. You could use Stays On Jet Black. Alright, this one I'm going to do a little bit different. So the last one I did a cluster of 3 from the left hand corner. This time I'm going to try doing a cluster of 3 from the right hand corner, and then we'll do our background on top. There we go. Alright, now this technique is really easy. So I'm going to be using Rococo Rose, Blushing Bride, and Melon Mambo. So 3 pinks. Melon Mambo is the brightest. So I'm going to start with Blushing Bride, and I've already got my cling wrap organised. So what you need to do is just have a bit of a square and just fold it into the centres, and this will sort of give you a bit of a handle that you can hang on to the cling wrap with. And I'm going to start with Blushing Bride because it's the palest of the 3 pinks I've chosen, and I can use that just gently to start with and just dab it around the background. I'm not putting too much over the sentiment. Alright, that'll do for that one, and I can use that piece again on the next colour, which is Rococo Rose. So we'll just come in with a bit of that. Just start off gently to start with, filling up some of those gaps that you left before. And as the ink wears off the cling wrap, just go in a little bit harder. You can always stamp ink off on the side. Alright, then I'm going to come in with some Melon Mambo. I've still got a little bit of Rococo Rose left on my glad wrap, so I'm going to use a piece, a new piece, and just again fold it into the centre so that you've got like a bit of a handle, and just sort of scrunch it up. I think I've got 2 pieces here. Alright, and just gently to start with, turn this round so it's a bit easier. And just come in and ink it up wherever you feel like putting some Melon Mambo, and it's just sort of lifting the colours that we've previously used, just a little bit around the same. Ooh, a bit much, so just do it lightly, adding ink where you'd like. Alright, I think that'll do. And then we just need to add it to the front of our card. I stamped on the wrong one for the card insert before, so just as well there are two sides to every bit of card. And I'm using multi-purpose liquid glue just to glue that on. There we go, looks a bit like a garden. Alright, and some of our elegant faceted gems. So just slide your card underneath to see which ones look nice. I think these ones look good. So we'll just use some of those. Maybe one down here, another large one up here, and one here. Alright, so that's our other cling wrap technique, and I've used Tasteful Touches, Rococo Rose, Melon Mambo, Blushing Bride, and on this one I've used Pretty Peacock, Pacific Point and Balmy Blue. Tasteful Touches, and you can buy all these products in my online store, and I'd love you to shop with me. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'll be back again next week and with another How Do I Do That video. Bye for now.
Plays a part in doing what we love.